Step into the world of G-Shock G-Steel watches with the groundbreaking layer guard structure. Ready to take your active lifestyle to the next level? Meet the GSTS 100G model, a sleek and cool timepiece in chic black, perfect for the modern trendsetter. Featuring white hour and minute hands for easy visibility, tough solar power tech for non-stop operation, and a handy hand shift feature for clear digital display reading. The two-layer bezel structure boosts shock resistance, ensuring durability for all your adventures. Stay confident in the dark with double LED face illumination for easy readability. Experience the perfect fusion of materials, design, and style with the G-Steel series, the ultimate choice for those who crave both performance and fashion in a single remarkable watch.